Do you remember your first webinar setup? Well, I do, but most people use their integrated webcam from their computer or laptop as their first webinar camera. But if you start hosting webinars, you probably have a smartphone, right? Well, what if I tell you that that smartphone probably has a much better camera than your integrated webcam? That's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone as a webcam for your webinars. Let's go! But before we dive into today's software, which is called Iriun, I must admit something. And that is that my current smartphone is a Motorola G8 Power, which has been a great phone for the last 4 years. And I say 4 years, and that's because, of course, in the last 4 years, the camera image of, let's say, an iPhone or other Android phones have improved significantly. So the camera image you're about to see in this video isn't the greatest, but that has to do with the fact that my phone is a little bit old and not because of the Iriun software, which is a software we are going to use today. So just a heads up, it has nothing to do with Iriun, but it has to do with the fact that my camera is just a little bit old. Let's dive into the software. One final thing before you dive into the Iriun software, and that is you need to download an app both on your smartphone and on your laptop. And it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, or if you work with iOS, with Windows or with Linux. It works with any smartphone and it works with any operating system. Now it's time to dive into the software. So let's download the software, and the first thing you need to do is go to Iriun.com. Then here you can select your operating system of choice. Right now I'm on the Windows, so I will select Webcam for Windows. Then click on Downloads, and then you will see, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Well, of course, because I want to download the app. So just click on Yes, then click on I accept the agreement, of course. For this one, I'm just going to leave to default because that's where I store all my apps. So just click on Next, and then click on Install. And then click on Finish. I already downloaded the Iriun software on my smartphone, and if you haven't, just go to the Apple Store or to the Play Store and then download the Iriun webcam app. All you need to do then is give the app permission to use your smartphone camera and the microphone. And I hear you think, well, where are the cables, or how do I connect my smartphone to my laptop? Well, the only thing you need to do is to make sure that your laptop and your smartphone are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, because it works via Wi-Fi. And once you have connected your laptop and your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network, all you need to do is open the apps at the same time. And as you can see on my phone, I will wave to my phone right here. Right, there I am, and I will switch to my laptop right now. And as you can see on my laptop screen, I'm still waving and the camera image is exactly the same. So let's see how you can use it for your webinars. And all we need to do then, of course, is add the Iriun webcam app to OBS. So let's open up OBS. Go to the bottom left of your source dock and click on the plus icon. Select a video capture device, give it the easy to understand name. In our case, I will just call it Iriun webcam. Click on OK. Select the correct device. In our case, of course, is the Iriun webcam. Then select the correct resolution. Resolution and frames per second type we're going to set to custom. Then select the correct resolution of 1920 by 1080p. And then hit OK. And in OBS as well, as you can see, I have the same camera image. Then start your virtual cam. Go over to your webinar, select OBS virtual camera, enter webinar, and as you can see right now I have my smartphone camera image directly into WebinarGeek. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about webinars, on how to host them, what gear to use and what it is like to work at a tech startup, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click like on this video and hit that notification bell. And let me know, do you already use your smartphone as a webcam? Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!